guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you're a first time subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe. So today I'll be showing us how to do the closure fringe at home. First, you have to use your scissors and cut your closure. Bring out the front part and cut it. Take a look at the direction, how my hand went when I was cutting and trimming my closure, the fringe part. Then after that, you straighten it, bring it out bit by bit, and then use your hair straightener to straighten it out to give it the fringe look and make it bob if you want it to be bobbed and bended. Then I had to do it section by section to ensure I get that front look, the fringe look, because I want it to bob a little. I don't want it to stand all straight. I want it to bump. I want the front part to be all bobbed out. Then I had to do it section by section. Please take just a small section of the closure. That is the part you take to get this fringe from the closure fringe. Then I had to straighten it again to make sure I curve it this time to ensure I get that curved look. Then look, I have attained the curved look, the bobbed look I wanted on my closure. Then I now went ahead to comb it to ensure that I had gotten that perfect look, that perfect bob look I wanted, because I wanted it all curved and bended to give me that bob look, and I don't want my closure to show the sign of my closure. So I had to keep on combing it and then ensure the parting covers very well, and then I had to use my scissors to trim it out to have that trimmed and beautiful look. Then the next step is to work on the main hair. Since I've gotten the closure, the fringe part all settled out, so the next step is to straighten my head. I'll be using this hair serum, Lotus hair serum. It is very good because it combines as a heat protectant and a hair serum at the same time. So for you to get the silky straight look on your hair, I have to partition it. I have to straighten the hair section by section. This is me sectioning the hair all out. After sectioning your hair, you ensure you comb it out. Don't apply another hair serum since you have already applied on this section. I comb it out. Then I use my hair straightener. Take a look at how my hand goes. To get this perfect shape, this shape will help your bob not to get all bent when you pack it, since you are not wearing it at the moment. So I had to straighten it and ensure I had the perfect bob, because this is a 14-inch hair, but I wanted it to be all bobbed and curved. And then this is my final look. This is what the hair looks like after straightening the hair. Take a look at how silky the hair looks. So if you want to achieve that silky look and straight look, please ensure you straighten your hair section by section. It gives you that sleek look. And please don't apply too much hair serum on your hair. Just a drop on your hand. Then that is all. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.